Today I'm going to show you a new product. It's the RGB touch controller, RGBW touch controller. The strip light I'll be showing today is a 5-meter piece of our UL rated strip light. You can also get it in 10 meters as well as the 30-meter piece you see here. This is the RGBW touch controller. We're going to turn it on. It's the middle button. And this controller has one mode. And when you push that play button, it's a color fade mode. And you use these two arrows here to speed it up or slow it down. So I can slow it down or I can speed it up. This wheel here will allow you to pick your favorite color. So you can go through here and just slide your finger over it. Now once you pick your favorite color, whatever that color is, you can use this button to dim it. Okay. It also allows you to pick cool white, warm white, and neutral white using RGB. Now, you don't get the same look as you would if it was an actual white LED, but you can see by the light of the strip light. There's cool white. You can push it again and you'll get neutral white, and then you can push it again and you'll get warm white. So these do your warm, cool, and neutral. There's also another button that's the S. You can pick your favorite color. So you can push it and it goes to you get 3 different favorite colors. Now in order to set it, what you do is we'll pick a color, just pick yellow, and then we'll come over here and we'll hold it down. And the lights will flash on and off, and now that color is set. So you can push it, there's the other two, and there's the one that we picked. You can also, it has red, green, blue, and W. Now, because this is just an RGB strip light, we won't be using the white, but we do have control over the red, green, and blue. So, and when you push red, it'll come on red, and then you can turn red off and hit green, and it will come on green, and you got to turn it off. And you hit blue, it'll come on blue, and you can turn it off. Now, if you wanted red and then a little bit of green, you can get that color. You can also add some blue to it and you'll get your white. Or you can remove the green and you'll get purple by turning it off. Anyway, these buttons turn the strip light on and the colors on and off. So if I push it again, there's red, green, and I turn it off, and I go to blue, and I turn the strip light off, and that is how you use the controller. Okay, this touch controller, RGBW touch controller, if you look on the back here, the controller is 12 volts. It has you use DMX 512 cable to connect it. Now, we're using a DMX 512 decoder, and I have it set at 001 for channel 1, and that's how we control the lights. You'll take your DMX cable and you'll go out the back of it and into this controller. Now, our lights are 24 volts. This is 12 volts. The DMX decoder allows you to do 12 or 24 volt LEDs. This connects as a 12 volt system. So when you run your power, when you supply power, this will only do 12 volts, and you can, of the DMX decoder, you can do 12 or 24. You have to power them separately. And that's it.